Hello everyone. Today we're going to go ahead and take a look at adding a new PLC to our network. And the approach we're going to use is setting the IP address with RSLinx Classic software. So if you take a look at the overview for this module, you'll know that one of the documents I want you to look at is the Rockwell document enet-u006_-en-p.pdf. I'm not sure why we're using these kinds of names, but this is from Rockwell. But one of the things that you'll want to look at inside this document, especially, and pay close attention to Chapter 3, is how do we set up the IP address with RSLinx Classic software. Don't be surprised that I don't pull a lot of information off of this for your next quiz.
So I've got my PLC powered up and it's connected to my network, but what I'm going to do is I've connected a USB cord to the PLC, to the front of the PLC. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and connect my USB to my laptop. And you'll notice that we have a USB connection that pops up. I'll go ahead and click on that. And it's going to tell me all the PLCs that were originally connected to this, but only one of these is actually working, and that's this one, number 12.
So here's a quick view of where I plugged in my USB cord. You'll notice my Ethernet cord is also plugged in, but for right now, my Ethernet can't do anything. So going back to RSLinx, what I'm going to do is right click on the one and only highlighted PLC that's connected on USB, and I'm going to go to Module Configuration. And after I make that selection, I'm going to see this dialog box, which has general information on the PLC that we're working with. I'm going to go to the Port Configuration tab. And when I select port configuration, I do see this, which shows the IP configuration for my PLC. Since this PLC was configured for a different network, you'll notice that its IP address is 192.168.1.20. And I need to reconfigure that for the network it's connected to, which will be 10.0.0.201 in this case, but it could be anything. The first three have to line up. I'm not going to do anything with network mask or gateway or any of the rest of that. That's not important. When I say not important, I mean for this particular application, but at this point you'll see that I have changed my IP address and I'm ready to apply it and accept it. And I do get a warning when I do that. That's just to prevent me from doing this to a PLC that's actually on a line and not in this particular network, because once you change the IP address, this PLC will no longer be able to communicate with anything on the previous network.
So all you need to do at that point is turn off the PLC, turn it back on again, and then wait 5-10 minutes, and you'll see the second PLC pop up within your RSLinx.